Okay guys, this is my bird aviary that I built. It was actually a gazebo somebody left, so I turned into a small aviary. You see I built that door and some panels on the side with the wires. There's another one that I'm building here from scratch, which I'm planning to put some canaries and some rose borky, which I have here. So well, that is a later project. Currently I have some parakeets, if you see on the bottom, and some quails, which have so upper region I have some, that's their food stuff, where I just put their food in there. Some cockatiels. I have this heating bulb in there because it's still a little cold for the birds to survive, like less than 55°F. So a bunch of parakeets in there and some quails. Like I said, I have 4 quails, 6 parakeets, 6 cockatiels, and take you to the other side. So I use this to cover them up in the nighttime because it gets really cold. So that's my heating bulb for 250 watt, which I have attached this with some electric bulb. Take a look. So let's take you inside the aviary. So now we are inside the aviary. I'll give you see that how I block those small holes. It's kind of pretty hard because this gazebo have a lot of holes, which is about more than 2 inches. So I have to cover each one of them just to make sure that my parakeets doesn't escape. So that kind of give you quite a mess they make, obviously. Some quails. And if you have any question, you can email me. And see some of the food, water I have here, and some food, some cockatiel mix for some of the food stuff. Is food stand on the side, and that's it. Goodbye.